Hi guys, I'm Hartmut, Head of Interior Design at Mercedes-Benz. Today I'd like to talk about the development of the interior design of the new S-Class. Well, our goal was nothing less than taking our customers into a completely new world of luxury. But how are we going to achieve this next to a new touchscreen? Well, our design philosophy, Central Purity, has been a great help because we always combine contrasts with a lot of tension and harmony. In the new S-Class, our most dominant element is the new big touchscreen. It stands up beautifully from the center console and does not connect with the dashboard. So this creates a lot of tension. On the other side, the surface treatment of the dashboard has been inspired by this high-tech element being just slightly curved two-dimensionally and wrapping down below the screen. So this creates a lot of harmony. But also small details, like for example this seat adjuster, have been designed with all the attention to detail and also bring the design philosophy to life. Now, thanks to high technology again, we were able to form this out of one block and give the customer a great experience, not only through the detailing with a nice pyramid structure, but also because of the fact that this has become a high-tech element.
Hi everyone, my name is Belinda Günther, and together with you I would like to take a closer look to the beautiful design elements that we created for the future S-Class interior. Here you see a couple of exhibits that are pretty close to what you're going to see in the future S-Class interior, but not exactly yet. In these combinations you see a wide range of different characters of a couple of beautiful color combinations that we created especially for that product. This is one of my favorite. It's a wooden surface inspired by the deck of yachts, and we combined a high quality open port walnut with real aluminium inlays, and they follow perfectly the shape, are tailored especially for this car. So going to the next beautiful and really important element, to the seats, I would like to mention that these seats are created especially for the new S-Class. So also from a beauty point of view, we created them with a lot of attention to detail and a lot of love and passion. They not just look good, they also have a really clever function. They are offering a high standard of control, comfort and seat climate. So thanks for joining me, and I hope you will be able to experience our new product by yourself very soon.
Hi there, my name is Dirk, and I'd like to talk to you about what we at Mercedes-Benz have done once again to raise the level of the S-Class when it comes to luxury and well-being. As luxury is a result of countless little details, I'd like to talk to you about three categories, almost three philosophies that help us since decades to create out of the S-Class the pinnacle of luxury. First, master the invisible components of luxury. Our customers in our car want to hear and to feel exactly nothing. We want to master something we call NVH, noise, vibration, harshness, and we invest countless hours to optimize this. But also, for the first time in a large-scale production, we put acoustic foam in our car to make sure that noise is even reduced and as well the vibration. Second, listen to your customers and never stop improving what you already have. Take something as common as the heated seats. We already now in today's S-Class are heating the armrests, but our customers told us they want more, so we heat the vertical panels in the doors above the armrests. And we also heat the ever so famous Kuschelkissen on the rear headrest. Third, keep innovating in the area of luxury well-being. We created a bundle of energizing features to add the well-being to the pure luxury. With energizing comfort control, we combine light, fragrancing, massage and many other things into a fit and healthy experience. To really get across this feeling of luxury in our car is virtually impossible in this format, so I really hope you can all experience this by yourselves. And once you do, you'll remember this, and you now know it's not a coincidence that an S-Class. Thank you so much for watching.